All right, we've got a new question, question number 9. What conditions are necessary for heat conduction to occur between two objects? Now, I know from studying and from our vocabulary that conduction in our easiest heat transfer through, whoa, Mr. B, bring it back here. There we go. Heat transfer through touch. So let's take a look at our answer choices. The objects must be surrounded by air or water. Now, I know, and I'm going to just type this just to help me later with the test, that is convection. So, although this one is, I know what it is, it's definitely not the right answer. Two objects at different temperatures are, well, there's a key word, touching. I like this answer. Two objects at different temperatures are located close to one another. Well, if there's no touching, that can't be the answer. One object must emit energy as light and heat, and the other object absorbs the energy. No, I don't like that answer. I think this B is the best answer.